Hello friends! Is your car struggling with shifting gears or showing performance issues? If your obd2 scanner is displaying code P0614, then you're dealing with a PCM and TCM incompatible issue. This means the powertrain control module, PCM, and transmission control module, TCM, are not communicating properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0614 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0614? The P0614 code stands for ECM TCM Incompatible. This means the PCM, engine control module, and TCM, transmission control module, do not recognize each other. When this happens, your transmission may not shift properly, or the vehicle might even enter limp mode. Common symptoms of P0614, check engine light, CEL, is on transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, hard shifting or delayed shifting, engine stalling or hesitation, loss of acceleration power, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0614, check these critical components. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually mounted near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It controls both the engine and transmission functions. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically located on the transmission housing near the battery or inside the engine bay. It manages gear shifting and communicates with the PCM. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the PCM and TCM connecting various transmission sensors. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt module communication. Battery and ground connections. Location, battery is in the engine bay, and ground wires are attached to the chassis. A weak battery or poor grounding can cause PCM-TCM communication failures. Tip: if your car is in limp mode, check the PCM and TCM software versions. Common causes of P0614 PCM and TCM not programmed together. Modules must be paired for proper communication. A faulty PCM or TCM, a failed module can cause communication loss. Incorrectly installed or swapped TCM. If replaced, it must be programmed correctly. Corroded or damaged wiring between PCM and TCM. Loose connections disrupt signals. Weak battery or alternator issues. A low voltage supply can affect module communication. How to fix P0614? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0614 code and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the TCM wiring harness. Look for any loose, broken or corroded connections. Step 3. Check battery voltage and alternator output. Ensure stable power supply to the TCM. Step 4. Check PCM and TCM compatibility. If replaced, they must be programmed together. Step 5. Reprogram or update the PCM and TCM software. Many cases require flashing both modules. Step 6. Replace the faulty PCM or TCM if they are not functioning correctly. Ignoring P0614 can lead to serious shifting issues, power loss and costly transmission repairs. Fixing this issue ensures smooth shifting, better fuel efficiency, and overall drivability. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0482, cooling fan relay 3 control circuit malfunction. P0483, cooling fan rationality. Check malfunction, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.